All right, so as we walked into the indoor ceremony area, I showed you the bar, and then here we are. Jamie and Natasha are here. And as far as bars concerned for a wedding, go ahead and chat with us a little bit about that.
So Natasha is our wedding bartender. She's amazing. So just to let you guys all know, is this bar is already included in your wedding packages. You just got to build it to create to what your liking is. So you could do 2 signature drinks, or you could do 4 signature drinks, and then your guests can purchase anything else that they want. But it already is going to be a full service bar setup, so it just kind of goes good with it.
Great. So Natasha, do you work with the couples in regards to creating those signature drinks, or how does that?
Absolutely, yeah. I'm more than willing to set up any custom drinks. That way it's special to the couples, whatever drinks they prefer and their style. We can definitely recreate anything they like.
Awesome. Anything else, ladies?
No, we're good.